How to fix login error in Jet2 application. First, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet issues with the application. However, if there's any problem with the logins, you can simply go to your settings, scroll down and click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and scroll down again to navigate the Jet2 application. Click on Show All, and here's the app we're looking for. Simply tap on it and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again and simply reinstall the application. And what this does is it deletes the application while keeping its document and data. And the next time you open the app, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below.